Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Vibrush. So today I bought a Google Chromecast from Flipkart worth rupees 2601. So let's open the package wherein we can see what they have given us. So I have already got it. Let's open what we get inside. Nothing else. Okay, so this is the packing done by Flipkart, sorry. Let's open. I will open and get back. So here we go guys, I have already opened it. So this is the Chromecast which I got from Flipkart, and you can see what it is. Rotate. It's Chromecast, cast your favorite entertainment to the TV. You can play YouTube, Heroes, and also Netflix, Google Play as well. Here are the instructions given. You can stream your HD video from cloud, but you need an Wi-Fi, and also you can play your Android device whatever you liked or while screen mirroring. So please guys have a look. Also it's rotate. You can enjoy 10,000 of films and TV programs plus million of songs. So you can have a look guys. On the back side it's instructions given. Simple setup, smarter remote, how to plug and play. So guys, let's open the box. So let's open. I think opening is from here. Okay. So guys, I have already opened the product. You can have a look. Here the instruction is given. Plug into the power and TV while HDMI. So all you need is HDMI. Okay, so this is the Google Chromecast which they have given us. There will be a logo given. It's quite good quality, and you'll be getting a finishing glossy look. Let's open. Okay, so inside the box you'll be getting a charger which you have to plug. The charger is also quite good. Wire is also good. It's quite hard. Here you can see self-declaration confirmations to ISI 3252 part 1. Okay, and you'll be getting a 5-watt output while this. Okay, so only things you got this in this box. Let's skip aside. Okay, now we'll come back to Chromecast. It's quite good. Okay, so here we go. So this is the Google Chromecast which you have to plug in to the HDMI port, and this is the USB. Oh, I see, they have given a magnetic field inside this. It's automatically stuck, as you can see. Quite good. And also they have given an instructions beside this. You can have a look. So now guys, I'm going to connect this device to my TV, and I'll get back to you guys once I'll connect this. Okay, so guys, I have already connected the device to my TV through HDMI port, Now let's on the TV. Okay, so I have to connect to the HDMI. Okay, so the screen, it shows blank. Okay, so here we go. It shows me set me up. So guys, I'm gonna set up this and I'll get back to you. The Google Chromecast through the Google app. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to log into the Chromecast, which they have given the link over there. Later on, you have to install that app. You have to connect those things. It's quite easy. The code will be matched and you can directly show. Once it's done, you'll be getting a Google update. It's shown over here. So this is a video which you can able to play. Once the update is done, I'll get back. So as you can see, the update is going on. Once the update is done, you'll able to see. So this is the TV which I have connected in my bedroom. Okay, so it's almost done. So it's showing that I'll be right back. Bedroom Viber TV. So it's gonna restart. Still it's updating. So as you can see, Google logo have come. So now it's connecting. So now it shows ready to cast. Now guys, in your mobile app you have to on the cast button. You must have it, and later on you can enjoy the. Thank you for watching guys. This is Vibrush. Please do subscribe to my channel for more videos.